Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about what is a QR code, right? I'm sure you've seen the QR codes by now. If you haven't, this is a QR code. All right, so what is a QR code? QR code stands for quick response. And I want you to really think about that, quick response, right? Think about why it's named a QR code. All right, let's go into it. Why is it called a QR code? You have to think about society. You have to think about what has happened and transpired over time, right? 5 or 6 years ago, as a business owner myself, I was actually faxing people like schedules. I was faxing people information, faxing people documents. All right. Then the next thing, their faxes weren't as effective. I was emailing people. All right. We were cold calling. All right, trying to get people on the phone, wasting 5 and 6 hours and getting contact with 2 or 3 people. All right. Think about it. All right. Then eventually, you started doing email campaigns. All right, and what happened with email? All right, it went from everyone opened it to barely anyone opens it. Spam filters, a lot of different things that would affect people from getting emails. All right, then text messaging came around. All right, so you're starting to text message people. You're sending text messages. That was really cool. But as society got even lazier, right? They came out with the QR code because this takes people directly to where you want them to see, what you want them to see, quickly, fast, and right to the point. All right, so think about it. Think about how it's evolved, and think about how you have to get these on everywhere you have in your business, on your business cards, okay, in your marketing materials, all right, inside your school, in other people's businesses, cross-promoting with them, on your traditional marketing materials. Everywhere you use this to get people to go where you want them to go. That's why you have to use something that captures the information. All right, you don't just want to drive them to a static website again. You want to drive them to something that's a call to action, something that is a value to them. Something that will make them react, respond, and remark. Okay? So the key thing to remember also is that it eliminates typing. It's faster, it eliminates typing. This is how we've got to where we are today, and that's why you have to start using QR codes for your marketing. Thanks, guys.